car interior LED ambient light. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. 38-inch USB interface. 2 buttons on your USB. You have your power and your main mode button and your sub mode button. You have your thin strip, which is 43 inches long and can do up to 16 million colors and dynamic modes. Easy installation with a plug and play design. The strip can be cut to length if needed. If you do need to cut them, cut on the grooves. Includes a trim tool and adhesive. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. I'm going to place it on the dashboard from here all the way to the other end. As you can see, I already started right over here. You just simply find a gap and then you push it in. Just like that. On tight places, you just want to use this tool and go ahead and open it up and then squeeze the wire in. Okay, now we have everything tucked in. You can see, nice and clean, very discreet. Run the cord under the steering column. I removed the center console and I fed this wire through here so that I can attach it to the light. I'm gonna plug the USB in my console, my center console. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and just plug it in and let's start the vehicle. There's your start sequence. Long press to power off and short press to power on. Short press again to switch the main mode between static, dynamic, and voice controlled. Short press the second button to enter the sub mode. Next, you want to go ahead and download the app. You can download the app on your phone or on your vehicle if you have an Android stereo. And go ahead and open it. We're gonna agree. And now you have your full control. There we go. You have more control via app. You have preset colors to choose from. Green, magenta, purple. You can have yellow, white, red, green, or blue. You can turn it off and on. You can also select your style. You have a few styles. Here are your basic styles. This is just your rainbow color setting. Lots of options here. These are your basic styles. You have strobe, jump. You have your curtain. Trans. Lots of different presets. You can have it flow like water. You can control the speed. You have your flow. Tail. You can tell that way, you can tell the other direction. Running lights. Run back, the opposite direction. You can also have it play to the sound of the music. I'm not going to do that right now, just for copyright issues. You can connect it to your phone microphone or the external microphone, which is on that USB. So every time you talk, you can see it changes color. You have your energetic pattern. So every time there's a beat, you're set. You can have rhythm. This is your rhythm settings. Here's your spectrum. You'll have a whole spectrum of colors. Once again, this is to the sound of my voice. You can do rolling, where the colors start rolling. And I think this goes the opposite direction. Different style of spectrum. Different type of rhythm. And energetic. You can also schedule. You have the option to schedule. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.